Okay, hi everybody, welcome to this new masterclass. Today we are in the Dallan 4 building and we have this occasion to see 5 lines for rolling shutters under construction. So we have the possibility today to see one coil to window system and one basic D63 system. We will start from this line, which is the D6TL coil to window. Then we will move to a panel where we will have a look at what are the parameters to design the perfect rolling shutter profile. And then we will have a look at the portfolio of our more than 300 standard designs for rolling shutters. After that, we will move to the D63 line, which is our basic setup, which is also ready for the future coil to window system. So, the first part of our masterclass is our D6TL coil to window setup.